Hello! Today we're going to do a quick and easy stir fry with some rice cakes. This is one of my favorite dishes growing up just because they're chewy and packed with a lot of flavor. So let's begin. Here are our ingredients. Pack of rice cakes from your local Asian grocery store. I couldn't find the Chinese brand at my Filipino grocery store, so this Korean brand will have to do. Some scallions, Napa cabbage, wood ear. To prep this, you want to rinse the wood ear, then soak for at least 5 minutes, then put it on a pot of water and just boil it for 5 minutes. It should look like this right here. If you don't want to have that, you can also just opt out of it. Choice of meat. I have pork here today. You can pick whatever's in your fridge. Take the rice cakes out and make sure to rinse these. Read the instructions on how to cook them. It says 10 to 15 minutes, but I boiled them until they float to the top. Since we are going to stir fry them, we do not want to overcook them. I repeat, do not overcook them. So now we're going to go ahead and cut our vegetables, and you want to slice them thinly. I'm gonna roughly chop these wood ears. Wood ear, I don't know if there's a plural form. Now let's marinate our meat. A full list of ingredients are down in the description box. Add 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of seasoned soy sauce for seafood, 1 teaspoon of oyster sauce, add a teaspoon of white pepper, give it a good mix, a tablespoon of cornstarch, and half a tablespoon of a neutral oil. Marinate for at least 10 minutes. Alright, looks like our rice cakes are done. Do you see how they're floating to the top here? Let's drain it here. Please don't forget to rinse it underneath some cold water so it doesn't get sticky. We're just gonna set that aside. Take a pan and add some neutral oil on high heat. Wait a minute or two until it gets hot. Then you add your meat here. The trick here is to wait about 45 seconds and then start moving the meat around and just turning it. We want to cook this for at least 3 minutes or until you see the meat change brown color here. Once that's done, take out the meat and set that aside. Now you're gonna add a little bit more oil. Wait a minute until it's heated through, and then add your Napa cabbage and your wood ear. You'll want to cook this for about 2 minutes at least. Once you see the vegetables start to wilt, you can add your green onions. Now it's time for the start of the show. Dump your rice cakes in and give that a shake or two. Then add half a tablespoon of oyster sauce, half a tablespoon of seasoned soy sauce for seafood. Make sure to taste your food to see if it's to your liking and adjust accordingly or as you see fit. Now, throw in your meat and stir, stir, stir. And now let's go ahead and plate and taste it. You guys should make this. It's super easy. It takes about 12 minutes or so to make. If you guys like this content, go ahead and hit the like button and hit the subscribe button. And comment down below if you've ever had rice cakes because they're super yummy. See you guys next time.